Government School at Aphan Ceiling Fan Keronpon. KAC Secretariat Meeting Hall Dipu Along Pini. Jami Poche Clonify Cricket Home. Arni Adap or Fikri Simalom. Promotion Initiative and Donation Event to Nidi School under Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong District Do Community. Participation as I make Pon. Pini Labangso as I make along. Sri Richard Tokbi Education EM. SMT Madhumata Bhagwati Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong. Sri Dilip Terang, Secretary, KASC, Sri Biren Singh Ingti, Inspector of School, Karbi Anglong, Sri Himari Crew, Accountant, IS Office, Sri Ram Rongphar, Executive Engineer Works, KASC, Sri Tapas Das, Assistant Director, Handloom and Textile, Sri Vikram Ronghang, Social Workers, Sri James Phangchu, Social Workers, Sri Mohan Taro, Proprietor, Malong Offset, Sri Rajasthan Terang, Secretary KASC, Sri Longbir Inghi, FAO, SSA, SMT Rinuka Terangpi, Assistant Teacher and SMT Humay Terangpi, School Workers. Along Pini, Chitong Dun Labangso Ajay Meke Dengpon Nangkok Lake, Non Barla Hutke Phang Ok Suiji, Pumatha Damsi, Humpari Sira Inkoy Ratrok, A School Aphan Ihum Along Pen Hini, A Ceiling Pen, Ronpon Lo. Lason se methang a school along lo than bang pu mate bang phia tum sitame KAAC pen kerap kapajir pon aphan che endun lo.
Vidya means acquired knowledge. Anjali means offering with both hands. Today, as being the ambassador, me along with our deputy commissioner, I appeal to every teachers and my friends, to all the stakeholders, please distribute anything to bring out the school for a quality education, and I thank to everyone, those who donated today. This is a ceremonial program today. We are starting from today onward, but let us start from today itself. I appeal to the teachers especially. At least you donate one fan each to your school. At least. We are here, most of our assistant secretaries here, and they are enjoying distributing fan to them. And next time we will like to see their name in the donors list. Even I take my words, and especially to all the teachers, we are to speak again. I bet to all the teachers on coming 18th of April at Sarsing Peron Langkum Habe Auditorium Hall. I request all the teachers to be present over there on that very day. On that occasion, our Chief Executive Member, Dr. Chuliram Ronghang, will grace as the Chief Guest on that occasion day. Today, before I wind up my words or my speech, with lots of love to everyone, and we see you a very happy Bihu. Thank you so much.
So program ke Vitanjali, Dr. Bitso, usia bangki la I around the school education and quality ke Japan, especially bangki, nona bangki just pen distribution apa kono pinangan na donor sa tunggu social worker to pension la pen tindak secretary pension no si pinangan na tunggu ini la so meeting na may long sa itu man deputy commissioner sa may si tunggu kanalang kami pen donate lo koya so nakasi pinangan na din ucitang ki government na nakin ki tipong lo san sorry midday meal pension lo Kapen school lah kan kape kapal saya, isong sekret orang lima facility sang kilong nang ji na sa uniform ki joy pen kitab ki joy pen ki yang sami ki kon or sa sami ki dorde ki pe ai no la hai ding no ke replace la hai ding no se la hai fan ceiling fan ki ni tu se ceiling fan so na program ki vangi ka to be teacher system sami along tin no don't see sisi fan don't see donate no kon apek stakeholder to ben social worker to ben distribute to nasi isi ningkang sampon dukon to
Sir, paano block wise pini pilpon na?
ini web karbiano napen west karbiano
Kumukan mga doisa.
ini almost 126 126
Iya.